Okay, Shidi boy, today we are going to our swimming pool, and I'm sure you will be swimming the way you were swimming last night. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
So we'll go to our building swimming pool, and we'll see you there, guys. Goodbye. So you will start with the jump today. Okay, jump. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Do it, yeah, without glasses, and do it again. So this is jump number 2, and come forward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. High jump, yeah. Okay, third jump. So just move, go far. Yeah, go, more, little. Okay, fine. Now 1, 2, 3, go. Jump. Good job. So you have jumped very nicely. Come to me, Shaden. Come to me. Come up to here. Yeah. This practice. Come. Fast. Now you have to go till there. Okay. 1, 2. Head down. Go. Come here. Now come here. Come here. Good job. Okay, finish. One second. Are you ready? Okay, go. Good job. Will you come here?
Yes.
Okay, come, I'm going back.
1, 2.
Just go underwater. Bubble, go underwater. Yeah, good. Ready for the jump? Okay, the jump number 4. Okay, jump. 1, 2, 3, go high, okay?
I jump.
Move. Okay, this is jump number 5. Go high and then jump. I'll count. 1, 2, 3, and go high.
Jump.
Very good. Now last jump. Okay, now this is jump number 6, and today this is last jump for today. Okay, now this is too far. Come here. More. Okay, now I'll count. 1, 2, 3, and go. Jump.
I jump.
Now this is jump number 7. What you have to do now, jump and come to me. Okay, come to me, come straight, do not go to the ladder. Okay, come. 1, 2, 3, and jump. Yeah, come straight, come to me. Yeah, I'll come close. Okay, now jump. 1, 2, 3, go. very nice, very nice. So I'll close. One second. Now this is jump number 7. What you have to do now, jump and come to me, okay? Come to me, come straight. Do not go to the ladder, okay? Come. 1, 2, 3 and jump. Yeah, come straight. Come to me. Yeah, I'll come close. Okay. Now jump. 1, 2, 3, go. Very nice. So I'll close. One second. Okay, so now few more jumps and then we'll go home, okay?
I'm going to jump and come to the ladder.
Okay, come. Good. You go to the up to the ladder.
3, 2, 1.
One more jump. One more.
One last.
Last. Okay.
Last.
How many? 2 more or 1 more? 2. Okay. Say 1, 2, 3 and jump yourself. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Now last. Okay, go. Now come to me, okay? Now come to me. I'm far. Okay? Okay, and do one thing. After jump, start kicking, okay? Like Superman, and then kicking, swimming. Okay, go. Very nice. See, you have come too far, right? So now jump is over. Now we'll go home. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Nice to swim.
Bye. You go up to there. Go.